information.
When I say Likualofa Taika, that means clap your hand 2 times and then round. Are you ready? If you're ready, say yeah, yeah. Are you ready?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah. Ready? Likualofa Taika. Okay. When I say Likualofa Buffalo, that means clap your hand 2 times and then Are you ready? If you're ready, say come on. Are you ready?
Come on.
Go where? Ready? Likualofa Buffalo. Okay. This side with the camera.
Yeah, do it. Come on. Go turn. Hurry up. Yeah, go turn. Go, you have to go up. Hurry up. Go, Tim.
Oh no! What's your name, bro? What's your name?
Timote Hopoi, Talakeikapa,
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big hand to Timote Hopoi from Babau. And also myself. Thank you. Okay, Timote, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Alright.
Hey, get a cuz.
So right now, you follow me. Are you ready? Okay. So this is what we do here in the island for those who are not here from the island. So Phoenix expressions of joy. Hey. Are you ready?
Yeah, ready.
High five. Good one. Okay. Follow me.
Go turn.
Okay. You're the man. You ready for the next one? Give me 5. I'll be 5 tall. Say yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Man, this guy. Okay.
You picked the wrong person.
Okay, yo, DJ.
it all on camera.
Samoan move further north to the island of Hawaii.
Aloha.
Special Hawaiian line.
How do you pause it?
The following tables, if I